house.
Oh, grab a bargain. What do you fancy?
Treasure trove.
What do you fancy?
I fancy the four-poster bed.
I love the sword. I love the sword.
I like the copper bath.
I could probably only afford the poof.
It's only a bit limited as to what you can get in your little house.
Where are you
isn't
going to
it,
put the painting? In the toilet.
All right, on to the weather. Here's Alexis. Okay.
We've got some rain on the way. It's all associated with Storm Lorenzo. Let's take a look at your weather pictures, though. Rachel Baker captured the sunrise this morning in Poole Harbour.
Lewis Jeffreys photographed the lighthouse at Southsea Castle.
And Tony Swinton took this shot of the bright spells in Southwark in Hampshire.
So we did have some bright spells during the course of the day, but we're looking at some fairly blustery conditions with rain overnight tonight. This was a lovely sunset taken by one of our weather watchers in Berkshire earlier on this morning. Now tomorrow we'll have some blustery conditions with rain at times, but it should become slightly dry and brighter, still blustery through the afternoon, but drying out as the day progresses. So a band of rain will move through overnight tonight. We'll have a brief respite with some clear spells. Patchy cloud will arrive by dawn, and it will be a little less cold than last night. Last night in South Newington in Oxfordshire, we saw a low of -1.3. Tonight, lows of around 10 to 14 Celsius. So a mild start to the day tomorrow, a dry start, but very quickly we'll see the cloud increase and the winds will increase as well. We're looking at gusts along the south coast from midday of around 40 to 50 miles per hour. And with it, we'll see some heavy rain or showers at times and highs tomorrow of around 16 to 17 Celsius. So on the inshore waters tomorrow, the winds are westerly 5 to 7, veering northerly 3 or 4, then becoming variable. The visibility is good, occasionally moderate, and the sea state is rough or very rough, becoming moderate, occasionally slight. So tomorrow night, things will stay fairly quiet. We're looking at patchy cloud coming and going, a few clear spells, and then increasing cloud by dawn on Saturday. Now, Saturday should be mainly dry, and temperatures to start Saturday around 8 or 9 Celsius. Saturday itself starts on a dry note. Through the afternoon, we'll have increasing cloud with this warm front moving in from the Atlantic. Still associated with ex-Hurricane Lorenzo, we are looking at the warm front producing some rain Saturday night. It could be quite heavy in places, followed closely behind by a cold front. So some wet and windy conditions through Saturday night and for the start of Sunday. Here's the outlook for the rest of the week. Rain tonight. We will see some really quite blustery conditions tomorrow with some rain during the morning. That will clear to leave us with a brighter afternoon in many places. Still a few lingering showers and blustery conditions along the south coast. A mainly dry day on Saturday. Now that's a better day of the weekend before it turns wet Saturday night and windy also through this first part of Sunday, but brightening up Sunday afternoon. Sally.
Alexis, thank you. OK, tonight's big announcement. This year's Children in Need appeal is officially underway. And we're looking forward to the big day when South